Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the insiders, and perhaps you're wondering, can you really get rewards and get free products from this product testing website, right? How does this actually work? Are you going to make money from it? Or are you just going to get free products? You know, how does this all pan out, and whether this is worth your time in order for you to get free products or make some money, okay? Let's check out the insiders, and if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email if you want to check it out, okay? Now, this is actually a product testing website, and I have reviewed hundreds of different make money online style websites, whether it's some sort of business, a business model, maybe it's surveys, maybe it's watching games, maybe it's product testing, and some of these websites are great and you can make a lot of money, but a lot of them don't really pay that much, right? So let's take a look at the insiders to find out exactly what this website is all about, okay? So the first thing is that the insiders is available in a lot of countries. So if you come here, there are a lot of different countries that you can actually get access to, which is pretty cool for a product testing website, okay? So we're just gonna head to the American website just to, make sure that we are on the right site, okay? And this is a product testing website. So you can test products, and a lot of people think that you can get products for free, but this website works in a very specific way. So let's check that out, just so that you don't make any mistakes or think that you can get something when you can't, right? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up, okay? So you want to log in, and if you're not a member, you can just go ahead and click here, and it's very, very easy. You just fill in all your details right here, okay? And once you've done that, then you can become what they call an insider, all right? Now, once you become an insider, what you would do is you would come to campaigns on the top, and based on your country, you would have a list of different things that you can test, okay? Now, I'm just going to go into, let me see if this actually works, all right? Let me see if I can go into the American website just so that I can show you some active campaigns, right? And you'll see that there's a bunch of different active campaigns here, okay? So let's just say we're looking at the LG OLED TV screen, and this is something that you might want to get for free and you want to test. Well, you would have to come in here and basically find out all the details of how this actually works, okay? So the first thing is that they give you a lot of information on the products, but then the next thing that you have to understand is there are certain things that they expect of you as a reviewer in order for you to get the product, right? So in this particular one, you're going to have to engage on the blog and share your initial thoughts, okay? You're gonna have to review it on the review tab. You're gonna have to spread it online. So you have to share stories and pictures and videos. You might have to do an unboxing, for example, which is pretty normal for a lot of reviews, all right? Then you're gonna have to make it viral, go onto social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, include the hashtag like that, and then you would have to take a survey at the end, just in order for you to finish this up, right? But in order for you to take part in this, you actually have to apply for it, okay? So you have to subscribe. Now, just because you apply doesn't guarantee that you're going to get one. And the very important thing that you have to understand about how this particular website works is you have to check the terms and conditions, okay, of every single product, right? So for some reason, this is not found right now, but you would have to go into the terms and conditions and read it very, very specifically, because not every single product is free, okay? A lot of them will require you to buy the product up front, okay? Which is very weird. So you'd have to buy the product up front, do the review, and some of them will give you a rebate, okay? So some of them will give you a full refund. A lot of the time it's not a full refund. They might only give you 40% back. Some of them will give you 20% back, right? Depending on how much the product is. Some of them aren't free, okay? So some of them will require you to just buy the product up front. So it really depends on the product, right? So you have to be very, very careful. Make sure that every single product that you decide to review, you go into the terms and conditions and find out exactly what they require in order for you to get that product, right? Because you might end up spending a lot more money than you think, and instead of getting free product, what you're doing is you're just giving them free advertising, which kind of sucks, okay? So you can get some products for free, but a lot of the time what I found is that you do have to pay for the product up front, and then they will give you some sort of rebate. Most of the time they're not going to give you 100% rebate. They'll give you a percentage of the price, right? So what I would say is that unless you desperately want that product, like if you come to the campaign section and you were already in the market for a dishwasher, and maybe if you do a review of the Samsung dishwasher, you might be able to get 50% off, right? You still have to pay for it, but they're gonna give you 50% off if you do a product, a proper product review. Obviously, you have to, review exactly what they need you to do, what they expect of you right here, right? And then, you have to check the terms and conditions. Okay, so make sure you check the terms and conditions. This one has the terms and conditions right here. Okay, let's see if I can find this, right? But you can actually go through this yourself, and you'll find a way where it basically tells you exactly how much it's going to cost. Okay, and what, how it actually works. Okay, I can't really find it right here, but you can take your time and go through it yourself, right? But make sure you do that, because you don't want to be caught with your pants down, okay? So overall, the Insiders is pretty cool, okay? It works very differently from a lot of other product testing websites. A lot of other product testing websites will straight up send you the product for free, whether it's a small product or it's a virtual product, or maybe you have to test a website or something like that, and then they will pay you for every single product test that you do. The thing about the Insiders is they don't pay you any money. That's the first thing you have to understand. The second thing is that a lot of the time you have to pay for the product upfront yourself, and they will give you some sort of rebate. Most of the time it won't be 100% rebate, so you're going to end up spending a little bit of money for that particular thing. Sometimes it might be quite a lot of money, because if you're buying a gaming monitor or a flat screen TV, these things are pretty expensive, right? So I would say that unless you really, really want that particular product, you probably shouldn't be reviewing it, because you're going to be out of pocket. You're going to be spending your own money, which I think kind of sucks, okay? So unfortunately, this product testing website doesn't pay out any money. So if you're here looking at the website thinking that you can make money from it, you can't. Can you get some products for free? Yes, you can. It's a very small percentage, but most of the products, you're just going to get a discount. Okay, so again, it's kind of, that's kind of how this website works. So you're not really going to be making any money from this. You can get some discounts on some products if you read the terms and conditions and you do a proper review, but it's very, very difficult to find 100% free products from this particular program. Okay, so you can check them out if you want. TheInsidersNet.com, but it's actually known as The Insiders. You can come here and check out some of their products if you want to get some discounts off doing some product reviews. All right, but if you're on this review right now, and perhaps you're looking for a way to generate some real income, right? Because we live in the day and age where, look, we've got access to technology. There's so many different ways to generate side income right now, sometimes full-time income, and I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to do that, and some of them are really good, but a lot of them are not so good. All right, so if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month from home, just all you need is your computer and an internet connection. Just click the link below, and I will send you that strategy straight to your email if you want to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this review of The Insiders, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.